Hi everyone, this is Amelia Heart and Vascular Center, and we're going to show you how to get to our new Shirlington office from 3 different directions. So the first direction is coming from 395 North. We get a lot of patients calling that they're coming from the King Street direction, so if that's true, then this is your scenario. And as you can see here, we're getting off onto exit 6, getting in the right lane, headed towards Shirlington. You can now see a divide, a lane called Quaker Lane going to the right, and Shirlington going to the left. The easiest way to go is to stay on the left side towards Shirlington and follow that direction. As you're headed down this road, you're going to basically reach this circular highway section that can get a little bit confusing, but we're going to show you exactly what to do. You're going to act pretty quickly and get from this left lane to the far right lane. There's going to be incoming traffic on your right, so make sure to yield to them, and when ready, cross all 3 lanes toward the right toward the Shirlington exit, as you can see above. Now, when you go down this, you're right near the building. You're going to stay in the right lane, and your exit is right there. Like we're following this truck, you're going to go up the ramp toward this parking garage and the building itself. You can see on our left that there's signs, and one of them will show Shirlington Road, Amelia Heart and Vascular Center. As we continue with this truck, we're going to go up the ramp. Feel free to park in the parking garage on your right of us, but you can also park closest to the building at the top section of this building, which we'll show you right now. So now we're on the top section of the building. You can veer to the right, and you can park anywhere here for free. No need to worry about where you're parking specifically. So once you get past the ramp, go ahead and keep driving down, and you should find a parking spot that's open. The building on your right should look like this. You should see a roundabout pull-in area, and that's the side of the building you want to park on since our office is located on that side on the first floor. You can go ahead and get out of your car, and we're just going to show you the door and how to get inside really quickly. Our office is currently located on the first floor, but we're going to be moving soon to the 3rd floor, so look out for that. But as you can see, we're walking towards the glass doors. You can go ahead and open them. And then Amelia Heart and Vascular Center is going to be on your right side of this inside building. There's bathrooms right there if you need to use it, and then you can go ahead and walk in through that door. Now we're going to show you how to come from 395 South. We are on the side road that is next to 395 South, but if you are on 395 South, your GPS will take you to this side road that we are currently on. So you're going to continue down this side road, and the easiest way to go is to take Shirlington exit. Do not take the Quaker Lane exit. You'll see the actual building on your left right here, which I'm showing you. It has a Virginia Hospital Center written on the building, if you're able to see that from your car. And then you're pulling up to this intersection. This intersection you'll take a U-turn at into the lanes that lead up to the parking garage and ramp. And so we're going to U-turn now into the building. So after our U-turn, you can see the parking garage on your right side, and we're going to go up these ramps to be able to park by our building, Amelia Heart and Vascular Center. Feel free to park in the parking garage if you'd like, but the easiest way to go is to park on the top floor and then walk directly into the building right near our office. So we're going to keep going up the ramp, and then we're going to take this right turn and just go ahead and park wherever's closest to our office. This is kind of what the building looks like when you pull up, and as we continue on, you're going to see on our right side the entrance to our office area, which is right there where that roundabout pull-in section is. So go ahead and park, and then you're going to get out, enter that door, and Amelia Heart and Vascular Center is on the right side when you walk in. So some of our patients get lost and end up in this shopping center, so I'm just showing you a little bit of the shopping center for you guys to get familiar, whether this may pertain to you. But if you end up in the shopping center by accident, we're going to show you really quickly how to get back to Amelia Heart and Vascular Center. Here, we're coming up on the intersection between Campbell Avenue and Quincy Street. So if you're lost, redirect yourself on your GPS toward Campbell Avenue and Quincy Street, which you can see right here. If you go straight at this light, you would get back onto 395 South, which you definitely do not want to do. So you shouldn't be going straight through this intersection. You would want to take a left onto Quincy Street to avoid getting back onto the highway. So now we're turning left toward Amelia Heart and Vascular Center, and as you can see, we're going to continue down Quincy Street. So now we're reaching a road called Arlington Mill Road. Go ahead and take a right onto this road. And then you're going to reach another light. At this intersection, it's between Shirlington Road and Shirlington Mill Drive. It's a pretty busy intersection. You want to stay in the right lane at this intersection, and you're going to stay straight at this part. And then you're going to veer to the right a little bit. And as you can see, here's the parking garage and the building that leads to Amelia Heart and Vascular Center. Feel free to park in the parking garages, but it's better to go up to our main section and then park on the top floor of this ramp and go ahead into our building on the first floor, which we'll be moving to the third eventually.